Did you know that garlic can reduce your physical pain? Stay tuned because I will teach you how to make an oil that will take care of all your pains and aches. You will need 5 cloves of garlic, 5 camphor tablets, and any carrier oil.
Let's begin by putting a skillet on the stove, turn the heat on, and then set to low heat. Next, add the carrier oil of your preference. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you prefer.
Next, add the garlic and the camphor tablets and let it sit until the camphor tablets dissolve completely. And now turn off the heat and set aside. Make sure it cools down a little bit before you pour it on the area where you feel the pain. When you're finished with it, store it in a glass container and store away. The next time you have pain, warm it up and use it again. Thanks for watching, guys! Don't forget to share with your friends, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more yoga videos and more. Bye-bye! Namaste!